Hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about principles of classification in which we have emphasized on artificial system of classification. In this video, we will talk about natural system of classification. So, let's start the class. Natural system of classification. According to this system, many characters are taken into consideration to classify plants. Actually, many characters are used as possible to group any taxa. Each and every characters, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम में पढ़ा था कि लीनियस ने क्या लिया था, केवल एक स्टैमेन का ही कैरेक्टर लेकर के होल प्लांट को क्या कर दिया था, 24 क्लासेस में डिवाइड कर दिया था। लेकिन यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है। किसी भी प्लांट में मैक्सिमम जितने कैरेक्टर्स हो सकते हैं उन सारे कैरेक्टर्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन दिया गया है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन। तो नेचुरल सिस्टम क्लासिफिकेशन में जो क्लासिफिकेशन दिया गया था वो लॉरेंट ने भी दिया था और एपीजी कैंजोले ने भी दिया था। लेकिन जो वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड नेचुरल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन है वो है बेंथम और हुकर का क्लासिफिकेशन। तो लेट्स मेक अ हेडिंग। जॉर्ज बेंथम एंड Joseph Dalton Hooker's system of classification. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker's system of classification. It is the most accepted classification, natural system of classification in their genera Plantarum publish हुआ था, published in 1862 में जेनेरा प्लेंटेरम में इन्होंने इसे क्या किया था, ये प्रकाशित हुआ था। और अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन बेंथम एंड हुकर डिवाइडेड ऑल फेनेरोगेम्स, इन्हें कहा जाता है सीड प्लांट्स, आर डिवाइडेड इनटू, देखिए कौन कौन सी कैटेगरीज में ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया। पहला जो था ग्रुप वो था डाइकोटिलिडन्स, सेकेंड वन इज जिम्नोस्पर्म्स एंड द थर्ड वन इज मोनोकोटिलिडन्स। तो बेंथम एंड हुकर ने जितने भी सीडेड प्लांट्स थे, फेनेरोगेम्स थे, उनको 3 ग्रुप्स में बांट दिया, डाइकोटिलिडन्स, जिम्नोस्पर्म्स एंड मोनोकोटिलिडन्स। सो देखिए जो पहला ग्रुप था वो था डाइकोटिलिडन्स। अब ये जो डाइकोटिलिडन्स था ग्रुप, इसको डिवाइड कर दिया गया पॉलीपिटेली गैमोपेटेली एंड मोनोक्लेमाइडी। इसमें किसमें डिवाइड किया गया? पॉलीपेटेली, गैमोपेटेली एंड मोनोक्लेमाइडी। तो अब हम लोग पहले बात करेंगे पॉलीपेटेली की। पॉलीपेटेली में पॉलीपेटेली जो ग्रुप था उसको फर्दर डिवाइड कर दिया गया था 3 सीरीज में। तो वी विल डिस्कस ईच सीरीज वन बाय वन। सो series first is Thalamiflory and it includes 6 orders. Order 1 Renales, it includes Ranunculaceae, Magnoliaceae, etc. Order 7 is Parieteales. It includes Papaverinaceae and Cruciferae. Order 3rd is Polygallinae. It includes the family Polygallinae. Order 4 is Caryophyllinae, which includes the family Caryophyllaceae. Order 5th is Guttiferales and includes the family Guttiferae, etc. Order 6th is Malvaceae and includes the family Malvaceae, Tiliaceae and other families. After series first, series second. Series second is Disciflory, and Disciflory series includes 4 orders. Order 1 is Geraniales. It includes family Geraniaceae and Rutaceae and other families. Order 2nd is Olecales and the family is Olacinae. Order 3rd is Celestrales and the family is Rhamnaceae and other families. Order 4th is Sapindales and it includes Sapindaceae, Anacardiaceae and other families. So, series first is Thalamiflory. It includes 6 order: Renales, Parieteales, Polygallinae, Caryophyllinae, Guttiferales, Malvaceae. And the series second is Disciflori, Geraniales. It includes 4 orders: Geraniales, Oleucales, Celestrales and Sapindales. So, after series second Disciflori, the series third is Caliciflori, and it includes 5 orders. Order 1 is Rosales. It includes the families Leguminosae, Rosaceae and other families. Order 2nd is Miltales, and it includes Combretaceae, Miltaceae, etc. Order 3rd is Passiflorales. It includes Cucurbitaceae, Viconiaceae and other families. Order 4th is Ficoidales, and it includes Cactaceae, Ficoidae. Order 5th is Umbellales, and it includes the family Umbelliferae and other families. So, series third is Caliciflori. It has 5 orders: Rosales, Miltales, Passiflorales, Ficoidales and Umbellales. So, after Polypetalae, I will discuss Gamopetalae. The second group is Gamopetalae. It also includes 3 series. Series first is Inferi, and it includes 3 orders. Order first is Rubiales. It includes family Rubiaceae and other families. Order second is Asterales, which includes the family Compositae and other families. Order third is Campanales, which includes the family Campanulaceae, etc. Now, series second. Series second is Heteromeri. It also includes 3 orders. Order first is Ericales. The family is Ericaceae. Order second is Primulales, and the family is Primulaceae. Order third is Epineals, and the family is Sapotaceae. Now, series third. Series third is Carpellati. It includes 4 orders. Order 1 is Gentianales. The family is Apocynaceae, Asclepiadaceae, etc. The second order is Polynomiales. Polynomials include Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae and other families. Order third is Personales. The family is Scrofulriaceae, Acanthaceae and other family. Order 4 is Lamiales. It includes family Labiatae, Verbenaceae and other family. So, the third one is monoclamidae. Monoclamidae is only divided into series, not into orders. And there are 8 series. Let us discuss each series one by one. Series first is Curvinae and it includes families Amaranthaceae, Chenopodiaceae and other families. Series second is Multiovulatae, Aquaticae, which includes family Podostomaceae, etc. Series third is Multiovulatae terrestris. It includes family Nepenthaceae and other families. Series 4 is Microembrae. It includes family Pipraceae and other families. Series 5th is Daphnaeales, which includes family Daphnaeales. ए नहीं रहेगा यहाँ पे. Daphnaeales. It includes Proteaceae. Now, series 6. It's Achlamidospori. It includes Lorenzaceae, Santalaceae and other families. Series 7th is Unisexuales and the family is Euphorbiaceae, Urticaceae and other families. And the last, that is 8th series, is Ardine's anomaly. It includes family Ceratophyllaceae, etc. So that's about monoclinidae. So after dicotyledons, the another group is gymnosperms. They are naked seeded plants and divided into Nitaceae, Coniferae and Cycadaceae. तो जिम्नोस्पर्म्स के बारे में बस इतना ही बताया गया था. उसके बाद the last group is monocotyledons. Group monocotyledons is also divided into series only, and there are 7 series. So let us discuss each series one by one. Series first is Microspermae. It includes Orchidaceae and other families. Series second is Epigyne and it includes Iridaceae and Amaryllidaceae and other families. Series third is कोरोनरी. देखिए आप लोग इसको कोरोना मत समझिएगा, कोरोनरी है ये. कोरोनरी it includes Liliaceae, Comelaenaceae, etc. Series fourth is Calycinae, which includes Juncaceae, Palmae, etc. Series fifth is Nudiflorae. It includes Typhaceae and Ericaceae. Series sixth is Apocarpi and it includes Alismaceae, etc. And the last, that is 7th series, is Glumaceae. It includes Cyperaceae and Gramineae. So that's all about the Bentham and Hooker system of classification, that is natural system of classification. It is widely accepted, and in the next video we will discuss about the important characters of group and orders. So that's all about this topic. Thank you.